Do you struggle to stay motivated in your fitness journey? The best way to break through that slump is to challenge yourself. Outdoors, fresh air, unlimited space, and the feeling of pushing your limits in nature. Today, I'm sharing 4 simple but powerful outdoor fitness challenges that will help you build strength, endurance, and confidence. Let's get started. Find a park bench. It's all you need for a full body challenge. Here's the circuit. 10 incline push-ups, hands on the bench, core tight. 10 step-ups, each leg. Explode up, control on the way down. 10 bench triceps dips. Keep those elbows tight. Repeat for 3 rounds. This is a great beginner-friendly routine that targets strength and endurance at the same time. Can you complete 3 rounds without stopping? Try it. Sprinting up a hill torches fat, builds explosive power, and strengthens your mindset. Find a small hill or incline. Sprint all out for 15 to 20 seconds. Walk back down. Rest for 30 seconds. Repeat 5 times. This one is tough, but it builds real stamina fast. Tag a friend and see who can finish first. This is a progressive strength challenge you can do anywhere. Start with 1 squat plus 1 push-up. Then do 2 squats plus 2 push-ups. Keep going up to 10 reps each. Sounds easy at first, right? But by the time you hit level 10, you'll feel the burn. Try to finish without resting. Running doesn't have to be boring. Make it a game. Set a 30-minute timer. Run as far as you can. Try to beat your distance next time. You don't need to be fast, just keep moving. This is an awesome way to stay consistent and track progress. So, which challenge are you trying first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who needs a motivation boost. Now, get outside and push your limits.